When the government of Uganda opted to impose a lockdown to mitigate the spread of COVID-19, many Ugandans felt the impact. And according to the new survey, various sectors of the economy and households are counting losses. The Uganda National Bureau of Statistics, with support from the World Bank, instituted a survey in March. The survey, expected to last for 12 months, will be useful in policy formulation in instituting measures for the recovery of the economy. The partial findings of the survey indicate that out of 80% who sought for medication, 33% failed to access treatment.
We can see that overall it is 33% of the households were not able to buy medicine, while 19% overall will not be able to get medical treatment when they needed it. And the figures are slightly lower in urban than in rural.
However, the researchers did not indicate in their survey report how many Ugandans could have died as a result of failing to access health facilities.
But we didn't go into the details of asking whether the person that was going were not able to get medication ended up losing their lives.
The report also reveals that almost every Ugandan is aware of the value of using a sanitizer, washing hands and wearing a mask in preventing COVID-19. However, the survey reveals that about 30% cannot afford soap.
They did not have enough soap to wash their hands, much as they had all the water, but they did not have enough soap to wash their hands every time they wanted to.
In assessing the level of understanding of some Ugandans, some have a misconception and belief that alcohol can prevent them from getting infected.
38% of those with no formal education think that by taking alcohol, it can make them immune. And of course, we know that is a false belief.
The survey also reveals some of the sectors of the economy that were worst hit by the effects of COVID-19.
The transport sector, the people who were engaged in, who were own account workers, who were in self-employment, and those who were also engaged in the trade.
In the household side, about 16% of the people lost jobs.
We're now moving to using phones, and it continues to significantly impact our economies, our livelihoods. Now we are moving from church to television-based kind of prayers. Elections are getting scientific, and we're having people losing jobs. Incomes are getting eroded, and
this will be useful for policy discussion and formulation, and how the public sector can respond towards the recovery effort of the economy.
Jingo Francis, NTV.